Converting scientific publications into patent applications is a crucial step in protecting intellectual property and advancing technology from the lab to the marketplace. It's a process that can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be both manageable and rewarding. First, let's talk about the importance of identifying patentable inventions within your research. Not every scientific finding is patentable, but if your work presents a novel solution to a problem, or if it introduces a new method or composition, you might have something worth protecting. Look for unique aspects of your research, those elements that differentiate your work from existing solutions. This could be a new compound, a unique process, or even an innovative application of existing technology. Next, you need to conduct a thorough prior art search. This means digging into existing patents and scientific literature to ensure that your invention is indeed novel. This step is crucial because if your invention has already been disclosed, it may not be patentable. Use databases like Google Patents or the United States Patent and Trademark Office's website to gather information. This research not only helps you understand the landscape, but also strengthens your patent application by demonstrating the uniqueness of your work. Once you've established that your invention is novel, it's time to draft your patent application. This is where the scientific publication you've written comes into play. Your publication can serve as a foundational document, providing detailed descriptions of your research methods, results, and conclusions. However, a patent application requires a different focus. It needs to clearly define the claims of your invention, what exactly you are seeking to protect. This means articulating the technical details in a way that highlights the innovative aspects while ensuring that the claims are broad enough to cover potential variations. Collaboration is key in this stage. Engage with your university's technology transfer office or a patent attorney. They can provide invaluable insights into the patenting process and help refine your application. Their expertise can help you navigate the legal language and ensure that your claims are solid and defensible. Another important aspect is the timing of your patent application. It's essential to file your patent before publicly disclosing your work. This includes presentations at conferences or publishing in journals. Once your invention is public, you may lose the opportunity to patent it in many jurisdictions. If you're considering publishing, consult with your tech transfer office to strategize the best approach. After filing, be prepared for the examination process. The Patent Office will review your application, and you may need to respond to office actions or rejections. This can be a lengthy process, often taking several years, but persistence is key. Stay engaged with your patent attorney and be ready to provide additional information or clarification as needed. Finally, once your patent is granted, it's time to think about commercialization. This is where the real impact of your research can be realized. Consider licensing your patent to companies that can bring your invention to market or even starting your own venture. The goal is to ensure that your hard work translates into real-world applications that benefit society. Converting scientific publications into patent applications is not just about protecting your work. It's about transforming knowledge into innovation. By following these steps, you can navigate the complexities of the patenting process and contribute to the advancement of technology in meaningful ways. Remember, your research has the potential to change lives. Don't let it go unprotected.